Welcome to Dark Horse Auto and Diesel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror glass on a 2007 to 2014 Ford Edge. And since this glass has to come off anyway to replace this painted cover, I'm going to go ahead and show you that while we're in here. It's pretty simple. You just have to push it like that and get to where you can see in here. It's going to sound terrible, but it's fine. And now you can see there's a little bit of a gap right here that you can get a screwdriver or a small pry bar into, and then you're just going to carefully pry out on it. In a perfect world, you'd be able to just grab a hold of this and pull it off, but it doesn't always work that way. It's that simple. Then you unhook your wires here, which I can't do that and hold a camera at the same time, so I think you can figure that part out. And those wires are for the heated mirrors. I will warn you that those tend to get pretty corroded on there, so be very careful when you're pulling it apart. Once you've got the glass off, to get this painted cover off, there's these little tabs right here. There's 4 of them. You should be able to just pop it off just like that. And then for the reassembly, just take it, push it on there till you hear it click, then grab your glass, install those 2 wires, then we'll just take the glass and get it pretty well lined up on there. Then get your hand in the center of the glass and just push. And then just look in there and make sure your tabs are locked in. You can kind of see that one right there. Kind of pull on it a little bit, move it around, make sure it's locked in there, and you're good to go.